Pre-game. This is Chris.
And that's everybody else.
Combative Airsoft. Dun, 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 dun. Hyped up music. Why didn't you do dodgeball, Chris? You should have done dodgeball.
I don't know. I'm going to do one next year. I'll be on one next year.
Yeah, Dylan actually went back here. He went to that one. Right there. And you can actually flank pretty well. If you go behind him. And it's hard to shoot through the...
Get up there by going around the side and like squeezing it.
Oh, excuse me. It's already Sunday.
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 I don't even know if I have chemistry.
I do. I have chemistry lab.
Oh, shit.
Hard chemistry.
Where's that last year?
Now, hello. I really love the look of this gun.
And there's everything that comes with it.
So pretty close, they're touching the knives. Pre-game. Some of our earlier subscribers remember where this is from, where I'm recording from. Am I sitting on a cornflake? Sitting on a cornflake.
Wait, it's only 3 of us?
No? You guys have,
Yeah, who do you have?
Brandon.
Matt, yeah.
You guys have everybody?
Did you see that one?
What? Let us know when you're ready! What'd they say?
They said yes.
What? What? Are you ready?
No, they said no.
What did they say?
They said yes.
Are you guys ready? No? Thank you for answering. Overview of the field, nice sunny day.
Then I was about to ask where you were.
You're gay.
Better watch your mouth, boy.
Watch my mouth. I can't watch it, it's on my face.
You guys ready? Alright! You guys ready?
Don't shoot me, I'm up in the,
Dan's cameraman.
yeah.
Airsoft! Dan's helicopter. 3, 2, 1, go!
Yes, I'm in the chopper gunner. Guys, I'm up in the tree stand. Sniping tower, do not shoot. I'm cameraman.
Go, go, go. Oh, crap. It's fragmenting.
Bricks in the front of the trench.
Alright, I'm coming down.
Far back, white door. White door or white door next to the tree. Dylan's next to the tree, whoever else is left is in the back.
Brent, I'm moving.
Alright, go.
Right there behind the fence, careful.
Don't sit.
Single, guys, single.
Single, semi only. Except for Nick. I really hope he doesn't light me up.
Game.
Game? Your whole team is still in.